In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your own voice in Donna AI. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open the Donna AI app, and now you want to have a song already in your library. So if I go to bottom right in my library, I have a song which is called Snowman, as you can see, and of course, I can use that to basically then create an AI voice cover with my own voice. So to do this, you want to go to AI cover down at the bottom, but of course, first, if you want to know how to create any of these songs in here, you could go and watch my other video which I have on how to actually create a song using Donna AI. Now once you have your song you want to cover with your voice, go to AI cover at the bottom, second tab, and then from here you can go into My Voices, and of course up top first select your song from the library. I'm going to use this one, and then you can add your own voice. You have the option there under My Voices, so tap on that. Here you can then have two options. The first one is to record your audio, and the second one is if you have like an audio file from your phone, you can do that as well. So for example, I'm going to press on record my own audio, and then it's going to say prepare to record your voice, and it's going to tell you exactly how to do this. You have to basically read the script aloud for at least 7 minutes, and you have to find a quiet space, etc. I'm going to tap on continue, and then here I'm going to tap on OK because I have to allow a microphone. There we go. I'm going to do this, and there we go. It's going to just give you basically kind of a transcript you have to read, okay, so they can get like a sample of your own voice. So if I tap on start recording now at the bottom, it's going to start recording, and I can go ahead and start reading this transcript. So I can go technology has always been a mirror to human ambition, a reflection of our endless desire to push boundaries, etc. Okay, so we get the point. As you can see at the bottom, it says keep recording for at least 7 minutes. Now you can just go ahead and read for like 7 minutes, so just go ahead and keep scrolling and reading this. You can read very slowly and basically calmly, just so they get an idea of your voice. Just make sure your mouth is close to the microphone inside your phone that you're using, because you want the audio to be good so they can actually create a sample. Now once it's done, you can just go ahead and tap at the bottom to pause, and over here, as you can see right now, it's not letting me through because I haven't done at least 7 minutes. But if there were 7 minutes of my audio, I'd be able to essentially just continue, and then from there it would generate my own kind of voice sample. I'd be able to, of course, then generate an AI voice cover with this. So that's essentially how you do this. Then just press your voice and select generate, and you're good to go. Now I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.